Mulai.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. We're from
Waalaikumsalam.
Group 4. Would like to present our work about how Western animation series is produced. First of all, we're gonna introduce ourselves. Starting from myself, my name is Bagazah Nugroho. Joe.
My name is Julian.
My name is Khairul Hamzah.
My name is Anggi Ramaputra.
My name is Aiman Mubarak.
Okay,
Next.
First of all, I'm going to give you a briefing about the rough idea what is an animation. Animation is a method of manipulating image to be appearing as a moving sequence of image. And an animation series are television programs that produced by the mean of animation. The three pillars of animated show. The three pillars of animated show are network, showrunner, and audience. And as we know, an animated show is not come in one night, and they involve a lot of people works. And the next presentation is going to be presented by my friend Aymar.
Okay. Animation showrunner. Animation show ideas is visited by a person or a group of people called showrunner. These people are the one who first came up with the idea of an show. Animation network. A network is the one who responsible for producing the show, market the show, and distribute the show. Usually, they are big company like Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, and Disney.
Okay, I will explain to the audience. Audience is very influential for an animated work because if there is no audience, an animated work will be and will not make too money or enjoy an animation. Next. Next. Okay, yes. On this is pre-production. Production process in the animation itself. The pre-production activities are very influential for the continuation and continuity of an animated work that will be made using a lot of software in the to production animated work that can be seen by my new viewers who like animation. Okay, next, my friend.
Writing a show. The first part is in creating an episode is to write the episode. A show usually written by a team of writers. Writing is essentially the most important part in creating an episode. Because without writing, acting would show, and without it, the show would have any story or a direction in general. Even a show with a bad animatic can still be good if the writing is great. Once the writer finishes making the script, they will hand it to the line producer and showrunner and imagine the show. Next, designing the show. Was made you so could convey a message to the viewers and bring uniqueness to the show. A design is made once the radio play was finished the part before. Then we'll be giving it to the designer team. That consists of character designer, who is responsible, property designer, and background designer, which is overseen by the art director.
Storyboarding. Storyboarding is a graphic organizer that consists of illustration or images displayed in squares for the purpose of pre-visualizing a motion picture, animation, motion graphic, or interactive media squares. It was made so the team of animator could understand what should be animated. And this is an example of a squash of illustration image. Clean up and coloring. Clean up is a process of clearing the rough sketches of a animatic, making a clean drawing and clean art to be sent to the coloring team. Coloring team responsible for not just coloring the black and white line art but also setting up the mood and lightning which help to tell the story. So the rock lines in the drawing are cleaned so that they don't get messy when coloring. Next, post production. Once everything is done, they get labeled and checked again. With it off, they go to the air for public to see. A show is usually consists of 24 minute runtime. Will that make me seems short, but it takes average 31,680 drawing for one episode. After all that work is done, the audience will judge the show based on the rating. A good rating result in a continuation, and a bad rating will result in a show cancellation. And 20 minutes of running time will go for about 120,000 dollars.
Udah selesai.
So the point will so the result whether the rating is high and will be displayed or not.